Good Wednesday evening. I'm Deja Barrett. Juliet Dragus has the night off. Most Christmas presents are ready to go under the tree by now, but there are plenty of folks buying last-minute gifts ahead of Christmas morning. 13 News Side's Peter Elliott went to Woodland Mall to talk to those last-minute shoppers.
Shopping in style.
We like to have matching outfits.
Lindsay Smith and her family dressed to impress at Woodland Mall in Kentwood this Christmas Eve.
We're just trying to get a couple last-minute gifts.
With most of their shopping done, they could enjoy the mood at the mall.
We're just trying to get the kids in the spirit of Christmas and giving and seeing all of the decorations.
But other shoppers we spoke with wishing they had started a little sooner.
Don't be last minute. It's not good. Try to get it before, the 24th for Christmas Eve. That's bad on us.
Advice worth remembering from Jeremiah Lockhart, who was buying gifts for his girlfriend.
She don't know that I went to Pandora, but she knows I'm at the mall. Don't tell her.
While some had presents to purchase, others were there for a photo opportunity.
We're here to see Santa today, right guys?
Christos Bird and his siblings had the same idea.
Mom wants the photo. Gotta please Mom.
It's become a tradition for his family.
Now that we've done it every year, it's kind of like a mark we remember we gotta hit before the season's over every year.
The season is nearly ending for Up North Gifts, a holiday souvenir chain with a best-selling item.
There's a lot of empty spaces in the gnome shelves. A lot of people have been buying them. They just love them.
Store manager Larry Ozanich says he hasn't seen as many last-minute shoppers this year, but it has been a busy season.
We had a very good Black Friday. Last Saturday was very good. Sunday was right behind it.
Most shoppers we spoke with said they also ordered gifts online, but they all agreed their last-minute trip put them in the spirit of the season.
I love the Christmas trees, I love the lights coming down, just the holiday theme song, Mariah Carey, I really love it.
There's a lot of people to shop for, but it's fun. This is what the spirit of Christmas is all about, right? Is giving. Yeah. So we enjoy shopping.
Now, Peter is joining us live now in the newsroom. Okay, Peter, so the time now is 6:02. Where should the even last-minute shoppers go for those last-minute gifts at this hour?
You're cutting it close, if that's what you're thinking. Woodland Mall just closed, as have many other shopping centers in our area. So before you head out, it could be worth calling ahead to make sure those stores are still open. In the newsroom, I'm Peter Elliott, 13 on your side.